In this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step and what a game changer this thing is getting to be. I tell you what, residual income is the path forward. Going into 2025, great things are happening. Could not be more excited to share with you some of our thoughts. Tell you about some of the things that Jose had shared with me, and we'll go from there. We're going to show you this flyer that Greg, our team leader, has made up. And I tell you what, folks, this thing has got momentum. And I'm just getting started. I'm talking about the matrix. I'm telling you about the essence of now, of why you want to join today as you see this video. Well, let me roll this intro and I'll come back to you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Before we get started, make sure you like the video, smash out the like button, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. It's about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Before I go into a wealth step by step, let me show you a couple things that I got going on. First of all, thank you. What a phenomenal week we have had with the programs that we're promoting. We're promoting, big ticket. We're promoting residual income. My theme is residual income. We're marketing big ticket on the front side and residual on the back side. I want to say thank you for those of y'all that have partnered with me in the Residual 100. This thing's incredible. VIP, amazing. Of course, American Bill Money, my #1 residual income opportunity. Home Cash Flow Solutions. And as we keep on going, folks, the yellow postcard, the Easy Money postcard program, I got some people looking at that. Money Order Freedom, I'm telling you, again, Home Cash Flow Solutions, even the Supreme Profit System. I want to appreciate all of you that have came in over the last couple of weeks. I want to say thank you, pause to say thank you. So grab hold of these programs, folks. I have the strategy, and it is a winning strategy that we're building residual income programs to multiple $1,000s per month each. And we're marketing big ticket opportunities where you can make $1, $2, $3, $4, $500 up to $11,000 per sale up front, and you're building the residual on the back side. So thank you. If you have not joined, again, the Residual 100, folks, get in before the weekend. If you're coming at the top level, we still got a special going. You have to contact me or the admin. They'll tell you about it. We're going to run this thing through Monday. And then we're closing the door on the special, because I tell you what, this program is that good you don't even need the special. And again, thank all of you. Thanks again for those who came in VIP this week. Incredible times are up ahead. So let's focus here on wealth step by step. This is the website that you will get. It's going to look like this when you join Wealth Step by Step. It is only $28 to join, $28 per month. It has a, I believe, 3x7. I want to make sure I'm right, but I think it's a 3x7 force matrix. And according to Jose, we think that we could get to several $1,000s per month, folks, inside of 9 to 12 months. That is incredible. Can you imagine having several streams of income, and you're making several $1,000s per month in them? Our product is going to be email autoresponders and capture pages. For the sake of the video, I am not going to go through all the tabs, but Wealth Step by Step is an incredible program. Adam is our admin of the program. We have customer support. We have video marketing, where you can look at some video training. Again, we have a pay plan that is second to none. And I'm going to show you what Greg has built for us, and you got to see it. We're going to get the news update that Greg sends out probably 3 times a week. We're going to give you that. But I want to show you the flyer in just a minute over there at www.yourplantowealth.com. That's where it is. And when you join our team, you're going to have access to, again, www.yourplantowealth.com. Make sure you put your email in here so that when Greg sends us updates, you will be updated on the different things we have going on with Wealth Step by Step, the latest trends, tips, and strategies to help exponentially grow your income. This is how you will be communicated with. You can press the submit button and put your information in. And then we're going to go, when you can download the flyer here. This thing is a game changer. This is one of the reasons why I joined Wealth Step by Step. We're going to look at this powerful 3x7 forced matrix. We're going to look at it in just a minute. I'm going to tell you how you can get your flyer. And you want to get started today, guys, because I only got like 2 people, and I only can get like, I only got 1 person. I said, well, one's supposed to be signing up. And I only can put 3 people. And folks, spillover is possible with me. Cannot promise any income claims or anything. As an income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action. And you do a lot of it. You know, we have to provide an income disclaimer because, you know, sometimes people join stuff and don't do anything with it. But when you put it to action, great things can happen. Let's go back over to, again, you're going to get a robust website. It is amazing. You're going to have tutorials. There is a Zoom call every Monday night. Optional. You can go to it and you can go from there. But we're going to dive more into the mechanics of the website. It does have a lead capture page with this website. We're going to dive more into the mechanics of it in just a bit. Let me show you the lead capture page that you're going to get when you partner with us. Here it is. And people are going to put their information in their lead capture page. Work from anywhere. It's a global business and a high earning potential. Let's go over and look at the email that Greg sent out. You must start building yourself a stream of monthly income. Stop relying on company or a government to financially take care of you and your family. You take action. You take massive action to produce massive results. Folks, creating financial freedom. With Wealth Step by Step with this 3x7 force matrix, it's incredible. Achieving financial freedom this year is yours for the taking. We have a system in place. Greg come up with this flyer, folks. We have a system and a flyer in place. And the follow-up is out of this world. Because once they opt in, if they don't join the first time, Greg's going to keep emailing them. And they're going to have to get back with the person whom they referred, who was referred to the company. Incredible. Good morning, Wealth by Step members and future members. Man, I am so excited about Wealth Step by Step business opportunity. Our group is starting to grow fast. Folks, what we have in this 3x7 force matrix, you're getting help from above you and below you. Everything that everybody do around you, you are benefiting when it's a force matrix. Folks, it's true synergy, and that is exciting. I would join Wealth Step by Step today. Lock in your position so that when I, in my matrix next year, have over 1,000 people, you would have benefit just from my efforts alone, no less than the people that are going to come in around me. Folks, this is a clarion call. I am sounding an alarm. Get in Wealth Step by Step. Jose said it's just that good that you're going to want to partner. And folks, you get the flyer. You can order them directly. Greg has a supplier that they can be shipped directly to your home, or you can have them printed in black and white. Folks, this is the system of wealth. Wealth Step by Step. You have to get started today. We are seeing people in record number losing jobs. And this is causing high food prices. People's basic needs are not being met. And, we've got property taxes, car insurance, home insurance, utilities, and every reason why you need to create a second stream of income, or let's go plural, streams of income. And this is critical. And folks, we've got it. Wealth Step by Step members are joining every day. Now, for those of y'all don't know, Wealth Step by Step has been in business for at least 2021. It's a worldwide business. The owner is Adam Walker. And folks, you can get paid monthly. He can pay you out your commissions through Cash App or Zelle for the USA, WODS.com for USA or international, Bitcoin. You can get paid in your Bitcoin wallet. Folks, that's exciting. You can set up your WODS account today. So, folks, I'm telling you, this is what Greg really wanted to share with you in this email, is the new direct mail flyer that we've got, that we can share with our friends who are wanting to partner. And folks, we've got mailing lists ready to go. I mean, I've got recommended mailing lists. I'll put a few up on the video and ready to go. If you can put a stamp on an envelope, if you can get a flyer, this flyer here, proven to convert. Folks, I'm showing how you can put a massive residual income in place today, a system of success. I am excited. Jose's fired up. Greg's fired up. We've got Dorian fired up. People are getting excited. They're joining our team, and we're winning. And how you win, you plug in and get this flyer. Folks, and we're, again, this is how we build several $1,000s per month on the back end. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Am I preaching good? Am I talking right? Irregardless of the election that's coming up, folks, people are going to still need to make money afterwards. I'm not going to get political. But I'm telling you, great things are absolutely happening. Let's go quickly. Give me just a few minutes. I'm getting long-winded. Let's look at the flyer in detail over at, this is how the flyer works. This is the flyer. Let me click on, this is the flyer. Look at that, folks. Just incredible. Look at that. I'm not going to be able to talk about this whole flyer in one video. Everything I want to say, it'll take me an hour to say it. But I'm going to keep this video, try to keep it inside of 15 minutes. Folks, I'm excited. Look at that thing. You can come in here. You can type your name. You can type your website information, your name, your phone number, your whatever you want to put there. Save it as a PDF and have it printed out. Folks, that is incredible. So I'm excited about that. Let me, and then pause the video. Dial this phone number. Dial the 24-hour messages. When people get in the mail, they're going to dial this number and they're going to understand the importance of building a stream of income. Let's go over here. I want to go back to finish up with Greg's email. Here's how simple it works. When you mail your sales letter to prospects, they will call our 24-hour message line. They will be able to hear the complete details on how much it costs to join Wealth Step-by-Step Opportunity and how much potentially they can make. All of this is in the call. Call this number, folks. When your prospect is ready to join the business, they will join with the website located on the sales spot. It is just that simple. I'm telling you, I have to keep doubling down on building wealth. I have to keep doubling down on automated systems. I have to keep doubling down on doing what's right to get you into your home thousands of dollars in passive residual income. If you're going to a job that you don't want to go, folks, you can work for yourself. Can you mail a flyer? Can you put a stamp on a postcard? If you can do some of the basic things, you don't have to do a video. You don't have to be a TikToker. You don't have to be a YouTuber. But systems of 100% duplication, plus you're going to get benefits of being in this matrix. Folks, it's incredible. For a limited time, Greg is offering 1,000 colored flyers for only $125. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can purchase 1,000 flyers for only $125. Download it and the order form and get it now. Folks, build your wealth step by step. Team fast. Our team is moving fast. It's only $28 a start. Super simple. We even got a coupon here. We're going to talk about that in another video because I can't talk about it all in one video. Let's quickly look at this matrix, folks. It's 7 levels of participation. It's a force matrix. And again, folks, I don't even have my first level full. Get in. Can you benefit from partnering with me? Absolutely, yes. We're going to build this thing together. 3 on the first, 9 on the second, You're going to have 27 on the third, on the 20, on the, I'm sorry, on the fourth level, you're going to have 81 people. You're going to have on level 5, 234, 600, and on the sixth level, you're going to have 729. On the seventh level, you're going to have 2,100 people. And folks, when you add all these levels together, your monthly income, you're looking at $10,800 in it. And every time you enroll a person, you're going to get a fast start bonus. Let me say that again. When you enroll somebody at $28, you're going to get a $25 fast start bonus. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. I could not be more excited about wealth step by step. This is my introduction video. I'm sounding alarm get in today, and we'll get you going. Again, folks, take a look at, we've got some great things on this channel. We are winning here, and we want you to win in 25, 26, and the remainder of your life. We want to set you up for success. Well, that's my time for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please press out the like button, and we'll go from there. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day. We're going to bring you some more content on the next video.